Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Renu and Ganesh. So in this video I'll be sharing with you guys Sabudana Vada recipe. Who doesn't like vadas these days? Also when it's healthy there's no stopping. So make sure you watch the video till the end. So yeah guys, here we take 250 grams of sabudana which we have soaked in water for 2 hours. Take 3 boiled potatoes. Add salt as per your taste. Finely chopped 3 to 4 green chilies. 1 teaspoon jeera. Some fresh chopped coriander leaves. Add and mix all the ingredients. Make sure potatoes are mixed properly. Add 100 grams of roasted groundnuts. And mix everything well. So the Sabudana Vada batter is now ready. Add some oil to the pan and grease it properly. Take a small portion and give it a round shape. Always use a high stand when you are making something in dyed fry category. So here I am selecting dyed fry option, which is an inbuilt feature in LG Convection. Choose the weight accordingly and click on start. In case if you don't have dyed fry option on your oven, then set the temperature to 180 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Halfway through, pause it and turn the vadas upside down. Finally, the Sabudana vadas are ready. Serve the Sabudana vadas hot and with curd and enjoy your Sabudana vadas. I hope you guys like this video. Please do try and let me know in the comment sections if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until then, bye bye.